There are preposition in English, just like in. We say that in the home, in the room, in
Oh
the
yeah.
car.
Hmm.
So this is in. So for in, fee is the meaning of in. Fee. Just like fil bait, so it means that in the home. Al bait means home.
Hmm.
So fee means in. Al bait home. In the home. Inside the home.
Oh,
Yes,
fi al
yes.
bait is in the home.
In the home, yes. So fi means in. So this is al baytu means the home, the house. And fil bayt means in the home. Got it?
Did you say fil bait?
Yes,
So
it's right.
a becomes silent.
I become silent. Yes, after
Okay.
that I become silent. So this is fil bayt. And this one is will fil masjid. Al masjid means mosque and fil masjid means in the mosque.
Hmm.
And this is the second one, on, just like on the table, on the bed. So ala means on. Alal maktab. Ala means on. Just
Alas.
like yes, alal. Al maktab means desk. This one.
Hmm.
Al maktab means desk, and on the desk. Alal maktab. So ala is used for on the top of anything.
Alal maktab.
Maktab, right. This is as-sarir, the bed.
Hmm.
So on the bed, how you will say, for example, watch is on the bed.
Al
So alas-sarire, right,
alasari. Okay.
right, alas-sarire.
Alasari.
Hmm. So fi and ala, both are prepositions used instead of in and on.
Hmm.
Fil bait in the home. This is al hammam. Hammam means washroom, bathroom.
Hmm.
So fil hammam means in washroom. This is al ghurfa. Al ghurfa to means room. So
Urfat.
hmm,
Urfatun. Yeah. Urfatun
hmm.
is room. So
How
al
how you will say in the room?
fil urfat.
Right, fil ghurfate. Right, very good. Fil ghurfat. And how we can say on the room, on the
So the
top of,
ending will be
yes.
urfat or urfatu.
So this is the moments in the preposition, when the preposition just like fi and ala, when it comes, so it will be ghurfate, hammame, hammame, fil hammame. But
E.
if you, yes, so
Urfati hamame.
right, right, yes, fil bayte. If there is nothing in the start of any noun, just like al hammamo, so there is nothing now. Got it? So it will be uh there will be o in the last. Al hammamu, al ghurfatu,
Hmm.
al masjidu, al baytu, al maktabu, as sariru. Got it?
Yeah.
Uh, when the prepositions just like uh, in, on, from, just like from home to market, and to, so it, just like at university. uh, so these are the prepositions in English, these are called prepositions.
Mhm.
So yes, so the preposition is the termination for these words. So when it comes before the noun, so it will be there will be E in the last. Fil bayte. Got it?
Okay.
Yes. Fil masjide.
Okay.
Alal
Got it.
maktabe.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Ala sarire.
Yes.
Okay.
But I have told you that it is in the written Arabic, in spoken Arabic, it doesn't use. So they say fil hammam, fil
Oh,
bayt, fil masjid, ala al maktab, ala sarir. Is there any problem? Is there anything you
no.
didn't understand? Yes, got very good. So, this is aina. Aina means where. Where are you? Where
Aina is
is,
where.
yes. So Muhammad is the name of anyone. So Aina Muhammad, where is Muhammad? Aina
Aina.
means where for
Hmm.
question. Yes. Aina Muhammad, where is Muhammad? So Huwa means he. This is Huwa,
Means here.
he, yes. And that is Hiya. Hiya means she, a female.
Hmm.
Yes. So no, uh, we will say that he is in the room. He is Huwa. He is
Huwa.
Huwa in the room. Fil ghurfati.
Fil urfati.
Right. Huwa fil ghurfati. He is in the room.
Hmm.
So this one is wa means and in Arabic and. So Aina Muhammad and Aina Yasir. Where is Muhammad and where is Yasir? So Yasir is the name of someone. So wa means and.
Wa.
Yes. Aina Yasir and where is Yasir? So he told that he is in the washroom. So how we can
Yasir.
say
Yasir.
Yasir, right?
Yasir fil hamame.
Yes, yes. Yasir fil hammam and you can say huwa fil hammam. He is in the
Huwa
washroom. So
fil.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Both are right.
Okay.
That's better. And this one is wa aina aminatu, name of any female. So and where is Amina?
Here.
Huh. So she is
Here.
in the, yes, kitchen. Kitchen means madbakh in Arabic.
Mat.
Madbakh, al madbakhu, right.
Mat.
So how we can say? You can try it.
Here. Here
Right.
fil matbakhe.
Right. Very good. It's excellent. So uh, this is Aina al kitabu. Aina means where, and al
Where,
kitab means book.
where is the book?
Aina al kitabu. Where is the book? Right. Very good. So where is the book? Uh, so this is huwa, huwa. It is
Huwa
parallel.
is he, right?
Yeah, can you repeat your question?
Did you say huwa?
Yes, huwa.
Huwa is he. It's used only
Yes,
for persons or for book also.
for person, for everything it is used, but for male,
Okay,
for
okay. I thought
humans and non-humans. It, yes, uh, it means he and it means it, just like book. But for male, so al-kitab is masculine, so that's why we use huwa for the book.
okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Yes. For every masculine, you can use it.
Hmm.
So, huwa alal maktabi. What does it mean? Huwa alal maktabi.
It is in the kitchen. The book is in the kitchen, or he is in the kitchen.
No, that is a maktab. Maktab means desk.
Oh, on the
Because there
desk.
is a
Or
book. Yes,
alal,
no
on
problem.
the desk.
Yes, yes. This is ala. Ala means on.
Matbaku maktab. They sound similar, so I got confused.
Yes. So huwa ala al-maktabi means that the book is on the table.
Okay.
So wa aina sa'atu? It is feminine because there is ta in the last. I told you that it is the symbol of feminine.
Yeah.
Female or feminine. So wa aina sa'atu? So we'll say sa'a means watch. Where is watch?
Sahatu.
Hmm. A sa'a means watch. So this is hiya ala sariri. What does it mean?
The watch is on the bed.
Very good, right. So hiya ala sariri. This is the al madbakh means kitchen. So this is aina Muhammad. Where is Muhammad? So if we say that huwa he is in the room, so how you will say?
Muhammad is in the room, did you say?
Yes, yes, yes. Muhammad is in the room.
Huwa, huwa fil urfate.
Very good, right? Excellent. And wa aina Yasiru? And where is Yasir? So if I told that he is in the washroom, he is in the washroom. So
Huwa,
hmm,
huwa fil hamame.
very good, right? Excellent. So wa aina Aminatu? Amina name a female. Where is Amina? Uh, if I told that here, sorry, she is in the kitchen. She,
Hiya,
uh,
hiya,
right,
hiya fil matbak.
right, very good. هي في المطبخ. وأين الكتاب? Where is the book? So if I say that it is on the table, on
Where is the, can you repeat it?
book. Yes,
Ab.
where is the book? This is أين الكتاب? Where is the book? So
Um,
the answer is uh, the
the
book
book is on the
is
desk.
on the desk.
Huwa
Hmm.
alal maktab.
Right, very good. وأين الساعة? Where is watch? This is
Here,
hmm,
you
on the
mean
bed. On the
horizontal.
bed. Yes, on
Here,
the bed.
ala sarire.
Very good, right. So this is exercise. أين الكتاب? So you can say the book is on the table. هو على السرير. أين الكتاب? Where is the book? هو على السرير. It is on the table. Is it clear?
Yes.
Hmm. أين محمد? Where is Muhammad? Name of anyone. So we can say
Huwa
he is, yes, Muhammad. أين Muhammad? Where is Muhammad? So we can say he is in the class. هو
us.
هو
What do we say the class?
فصل الفصل الفصل
Us.
if a is L فصل الفصل.
So, huwa huwa
Hmm.
fil huwa fil fasle.
Right, very good, excellent. And this is Aina Sa'atu. Where is the watch? This
Hmm.
one. Yes, so this is we can say uh the watch is on the bed. It is on the bed.
Hiya alal
Hmm.
hiya ala sarire.
Right, very good. Aina Yasiru. Where is Yasir? So we can say he is in the house. He is in the home. So
هو
uh, mhm,
هو في البيت.
very good, right? Aina Amina to name a female. Where is Amina? So we can say uh, she is in the kitchen.
So we'll say هي
Mhm.
هي في المطبخ.
Very good,
مطبخ.
excellent. Right, right. So this one is a little bit different from these questions. A means uh, you can say do, does, did. So Aminatu fil ghurfa. So is Amina the name of female. So is Amina in the room? A means is. Got it?
Yes.
For question. So is Aminatu in the room? Is she is in the room? So a means is for question. Aminatu name of female. So is Amina fil ghurfati in the room? So we can say yes, she is in the room. Yes, there are two words, naam and la. Yes means naam.
نعم.
Naam, yes. And no,
Yes means نعم, no is la. Yeah,
la.
wait.
Very good, right. So, yes, she is in the room.
Okay.
Hmm.
نعم نعم
Hmm.
هي في الغرفة.
Yes, right. هي في الغرفة. Very good. Hmm. Uh, ياسر في المطبخ. So, can you translate this one?
Is Yasir in the
Hmm.
kitchen?
Very good, right. So, the answer is no.
Okay.
No, he is in the room.
لا هو
Yes,
هو في الغرفة.
very good, right. That's right.
So means is.
Yes, is, are, you can say for question. Just like, are they in the room? If there are three people or two people, so you are asking about them, where are they? So, are they in the room? A hum fil ghurfati. So, all for question basically is, are,
Okay.
yes. Man fil ghurfati. Man means who? Who is in the room?
Man is who?
Yes, man means who. So man fil ghurfati. Who is in the room? So the answer is Muhammadun in the room. Muhammad name of anyone. So
Muhammad in the room, did you say?
yes,
In the
yes,
room.
yes, yes, yes. Muhammad fil ghurfati. Hmm. Is it clear?
Yes.
So this one is wa means and who is in the washroom? So woman fil hammami. So you can say
Second,
Muhammadun.
I
Yes,
understand.
Muhammad. This one is wa means and.
And
This
okay.
means and. Man fil hammami. Who is in washroom?
Okay.
So who is in washroom? So you can say Hamid, name of anyone. So he is in uh, the washroom. So Hamidun fil hammami.
Hamidun fil hamami. Okay.
All right. Maza. Maza means what's ma and maza both are
What?
used. Yes. Ma and maza
Ma
both
has.
are, yes. No, no, no.
No,
Mahaza is
Mahaza
other
is
thing.
what is
Maza
this?
has other thing. Yes.
What is this?
Mahaza
Yeah,
is other thing. Yes. So this is Maza and Ma.
Maza. Okay.
And Ma. Both are for what? What is this? Just
What?
like. And what's on the desk? Maza ala al-maktabi. What's on the desk? So Maza ala al-maktabi. So this is, you can say, pen is on the desk. Book is on the desk. So al-kitabu, how we can say?
The book is on the desk. Al
Yes,
Kitabu
al-kitabu.
al Alal Maktab.
Right, very good. This one is maza ala sarire. So what does
What
it mean?
What is on the bed?
Very good, right. So
Uh,
you can say watch is on the desk.
Asa
Watch. Yes,
Sahat
right.
Sahatu
As-sa'atu. Yes, very good. It's right.
Sahatu Alal Sarire.
Right, very good. It's right.
Alal Sarire.
Hmm. So how can we say al-madrasa tu and fil madrasa te? Al-madrasa tu, because there is
Madrasa
no.
is mosque or class?
Yes, yes. So this is al-madrasa, mean school.
A school
Al-madrasa
madrasa.
tu school. Yes. Al-madrasa tu school, the school.
Madras or Madra?
Al-madrasa tu al-mad, M-A-D R-A,
Madrasa.
al-madrasa tu.
This is school.
Yes, school.
School.
So here is al madrasa, so it means this the school.
Hmm.
And the second one is fil madrasa te, in the school. So this is tu, al madrasa tu. Got it?
Yes.
And this
Madras.
is fil madrasa te, because there is fi here.
Yeah. Okay.
Fil madrasa te, right. This is fil baytu or fil bayte.
Fil Baite.
Right, very good. And this one, al bay,
Al Baitu.
right. Al ghurfa,
Al Urfatu.
right. Al hamma,
Al Hamamu.
right. Fil hamma,
Fil Hamame.
right. Fil madba,
Fil Matbake.
right. Al maktabu,
Al Maktabe. Oh, no,
there is
Al
no
Mak.
p. Yes, no
Sorry.
problem. It's uh so alal makta,
Al Maktabe.
very good, right. Alal kursi, kursi means kursiyun, chair.
Church.
Kursiyun. So alal kursi, ye,
Alal Kursiye. Okay.
right. As-sari,
As-Sarirun. As-Sariru.
right, very good, it's right. Alal kita, on the book. Alal kita,
Alal Kitabe.
right. Fil masjid,
Fil Masjide.
right, very good. So this is al madrasatu, fil madrasati, fil bayti, al baytu, al ghurfatu, al hammamu, fil hammami, fil madbakhi, al maktabu, ala al maktabi, ala al kursiyi, السرير على الكتاب في المسجد. So this is read and write. الطالب في الجامعة. Can you translate it? الطالب في الجامعة.
The student
Hmm.
is in the Jamiati.
It's university. الجامعة university.
University.
Yes.
University.
المدرسة school
Okay.
is and الجامعة university. There is another termination between school and university, college.
Jami.
Hmm. Not
Jami.
not how we can translate the college.
The
Al
university.
yes. So al kulliyatu school, al madrasatu university, al jami'atu and college kulliyatu
Guli.
kulliyatu ku kulliyatu. There is k in the start.
Okay.
K, yes,
Kuliya.
kulliyatu. Hmm. Al
College.
kulliyatu college. So الطالب في الجامعة.
Al. At,
Yes,
the student is in the university.
very good, right. The student is in the university, at the university, you can say. So الرجل في المسجد.
The man is in the mosque.
Yes, very good. أين التاجر.
Where is the merchant?
Yes, very good. This is his answer. So he is in the shop.
Huwa
هو في الدكان. في
fi dukan.
الدكان. Right.
Okay.
هو في الدكان.
So we don't say fil, we say fi dukan.
Yes, في
Fi.
الدكان. Yes, في الدكان. القلم على المكتب. The pen is on the desk. القلم على المكتب.
The pen is on the
Hmm,
desk.
very good, right. أين زينب. What does it mean? أين
Where
زينب. Hmm.
Zainab, Zainabu.
Hmm. Name of female.
The female. Okay, okay. Where
Yes.
is Zainab?
Right. And these are Arabic names. So
Hmm.
Muhammad, Hamid, Zainab. So here في الغرفة. هي في الغرفة.
She is in the room.
Very good, right. أين الورق. ورق means page. ورق.
Waraku page.
W
Yeah,
A
Waraku page.
R A Q. Q in the last. ورق.
Hmm.
Hmm. أين الورق. Where is
Where
the
is the
page?
page? Yeah.
Hmm. هو على المكتب. هو على المكتب.
It is on the desk.
Very good,
So
right.
huwa here we can say as it also or he.
Yes, both.
Okay.
Who is used for both he and it. So this is أين المدرس. أين المدرس.
Where is the school?
No, it was المدرسة. This is
Oh.
المدرس.
Where is the
Teacher.
teacher?
Teacher.
Teacher, teacher,
Yes.
teacher.
Yes. So in Arabic, actually المدرس teacher. الدرس listen. الدرس write it. المدرس means teacher. الدرس DARS.
Hmm.
الدرس means listen. المدرسة school because the teacher and lessons are in school. So got it?
Yes.
So Al-Mudarrisu means
Mudarrisu is teacher, the teacher.
yes. Ad-Darsu,
Uh,
listen.
Adarsu is listen.
Yes, Ad-Darsu, listen. And Al-Madrasatu,
The school.
yes. Very good, excellent. So this is Al-Mudarris, teacher. Ain al-Mudarrisu,
So for lesson you say Adarsun.
yes, Ad-Darsu, not
Adarsu. Okay, okay.
N in the last.
Yeah,
So
Adarsu.
yes, because there is al in the start. So ad-darsu means listen. So here is al-mudarris. Here is al-mudarris. Where is teacher? Where is the
Okay.
teacher? So huwa fil fasli.
The teacher is in the class.
Very good.
He's in the class.
Yes. Aina yasirun.
Where is
Good.
Yasir?
Very good. He is in the mirhaz means washroom. You can use it.
Mirhaz.
Yes, this is for toilet actually.
Okay, toilet.
So
Mirhaz.
yes, yes.
Mirhaz.
Hmm.
Okay.
Mirhaz. Huwa fil mirhaz. He's in the toilet. So this one's Ashamsu, the sun. Wal qamaru, the moon. The sun and the moon.
The sun and the moon.
Yes. Fis sama'i. What does it mean? Sama'u means sky. Fis sama'i, in the sky.
One moment. Did you
Yes.
Sama'un?
Yes, sama'un, sky.
Sama'un. Sky.
Right? Ashams means the sun.
Yeah.
Qamar
Shams.
means the moon. Sama'un means the sky.
Sama'un sky.
Yes. Arzun. Arzun means earth.
Arzun.
Earth, land, both you can say. So Ashamsu wal qamaru fi sama'i. What does it mean?
The sun and the moon.
Hmm.
Do you say Sama'i? Are in
Yes.
the Sama'un Sama'i.
Yes, fi sama'i. So here is fi sama'i.
Are in the sky.
Yes, in the sky, right. Very good.
Yes.
So as-sama'u means sky and fis sama'i means in the sky.
Okay.
Man fil fasli. It's question.
Who is in the class?
Very good, right. Is there any word here you didn't understand?
No. Everything's
Yes. So this is at-talibu fil jami'ati. The student is at university.
So just one question.
Yes.
Madrasatu is school.
Yes, right.
Al-Jamiyati University.
Al-jami'atu, university, yes.
Al-Jamiyatu. Okay.
Right.
Al-Kulliyatu college.
Al-kulliyatu, right. College. Very good,
Okay.
it's right.
Okay. That's all.
And listen and teacher.
Lesson is Ad-Darsu.
Right. Teacher.
Teacher Al-Mudarrisatu.
No, al-mudarrisu. For female teacher. For female teacher, we will use yes, al-mudarrisatu.
Okay.
Right. And class.
Class is Al-Fasli. Al-Faslu.
Al-faslu, right. Very good. Right. Ar-rajulu fil masjidi.
Is the man in the
No,
mosque?
there is no question. Ar-rajulu fil
man is
masjidi.
in the mosque.
Yes, man is in the mosque. So this is Aina Tajiru, where is merchant? Huwa fi dukani, he is in the shop. Al-qalamu على المكتب.
The
The pen is on the desk. أين زينب? Where is Zainab? هي في الغرفة. She is in the room. أين الورق? Where is the page? هو على المكتب. It is on the desk. It is. So هو means it here. Got it?
yes.
Hmm. أين المدرس? Where is the teacher? هو في الفصل. He is in the class. أين ياسر? Where is Yasir? هو في المرحاض. He is in the toilet. الشمس والقمر في السماء. The sun and the moon is in the sky. من في الفصل. هو is sorry. من في الفصل. Who is in the class? Who is in the class? So there is another sentence. He is on the earth. He is on the earth. So هو على الأرض. Got it?
Hmm.
هو على الأرض. He is in the earth. He is on the earth.
He's on the earth. Yeah.
Yes. So this is the difference between male and female name. I told you that in spoken Arabic, we say that Muhammad, Khalid, Hamid, these are Arabic names. So Muhammad, Khalid. But in written Arabic, we say Muhammadun, Khalidun, Hamidun, Yasirun. Is it clear?
Yeah. This.
Yeah, Ammarun, Sa'idun, Aliyun. So these are Arabic names basically. But in female names, so we cannot add n in the last. We will remove n from the last.
Okay.
Aminatu, Zainabu, Fatimatu, Maryamu, Aishatu, Khadijatu, Safiyatu.
Hmm.
So this is the a little bit different between the male and female name. In Arabic, we will add n in the last. Muhammadun, Khalidun, because there is no al here. Yasirun, Ammarun, Sa'idun, Aliyun. Got it?
Yes.
And this is we cannot add n in the last. So Aminatu, just like if there is al in the beginning, we cannot add in from the in the last. Got it?
Got it.
Aminatu, Zainabu, Fatimatu, Maryamu, Aishatu, Khadijatu, Safiyatu. This is Ruqayyatu.
Okay. You too. Okay.
Right. I told you that it is not necessary because in spoken Arabic it doesn't use. So this is Hamidun, Zainabu, because this is female name. Aminatu, female name. Ammarun, male name. Sa'idun, it's the male name.
Yeah. Okay.
And this is the female name
So the
Fatima.
whatever comes basically is female.
Uh,
The
can you
end.
repeat?
In the end, whichever the comes, Fatima
Hmm.
Tun. Fatima Tu.
For female. It will be for female.
Yeah.
Yes. Hmm. Maryamu, it's the female name in Arabic. Aliyun, Khalidun, Abbasun, it's the male name. Aisha too, it's the female name. Muhammadun, male name. Safiyatu, female name. Khadijatu, female name. Is it easy?
Yes, it is.
Hmm. So there are another two words, just like we say from the home to the market. From the home to the market.
Hmm.
Yes.
So for from what? From is min.
Min, right. Very good. Min. And to ila. Ila.
Ila.
Yes. There was ala. Ala means on.
On.
So it is ila, not ala.
Ila.
Ila. Hmm.
To.
So if there is al in the start of any noun, so it will be mena, menal baite, menal baite, from the home. So this is basically men, which means from. Got it?
Yes.
So if there is al in the start of noun, just like al baitu, so it will be mena, menal baite, menal baite. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Minal baite, from the home. Al masjidu, mosque. Ilal masjid, to the mosque. This is a dialogue between the teacher and his student Muhammad. Dialogue between the teacher and his student Muhammad. So the teacher says that min aina anta. Min
Aina.
aina anta.
From where are you?
Very good, right? Where are you from? Muhammad says, Ana minal Yaban. I'm from Japan.
I am from Japan.
Yes. Ana minal Yaban. Arabic people says Yaban to Japan.
Oh, Japan is Japan.
Yaban. B
Japan.
in the middle. Yaban.
Correct.
Al-Mudarris, the teacher says, وَمِنْ أَيْنَ عَمَّارٌ. What does it mean? وَمِنْ أَيْنَ عَمَّار. Ammar is the name of person.
From where is Amar?
Yes, right. Very good. So Muhammad says, he is from Sin. Sin means Chin, China.
Oh, Sin.
Yes, China.
Sin is
Asinu, China. So he is from China. How we can say?
Hua
Hmm.
min Sin.
Yes. Yes, huwa minas sine. Right. Very good. It's right.
Hua mina.
Minas sine. Just like that. Minal yabane.
So we
Minas
write.
sine.
So we write. Like he's from the China type.
Yes, right.
Okay.
He's from the China. Minal yabane, from the Japan. Minas sine, from the China.
Okay.
Al-Mudarrisu, the teacher says, وَمِنْ أَيْنَ حَامِدٌ. What does it mean?
Um. And from where? And from where
Mm-hmm.
is?
Yes, Pramir is Hamid. This is Hind means India. There are so many names for India. We know better. So, India, Bharat, and Hind, three name of India. Got it?
Yes.
Hind, India. So, huwa menal Hindi. Huwa menal Hind. He is from India. So, this is Al Mudarris. Teacher says, Aina Abbasun. Where is Abbas? Muhammad says that got out. Got out. He got out.
He got
So,
out.
yes.
How do we say that?
Kharaja. This is the past tense. I will teach you how we can make past tense. So write it only for now. Kharaja.
Haraja.
Hmm. It's very easy to make past tense. Very simple thing. But in the upcoming classes, inshallah, I will teach you. So kharaja means got out. Huwa kharaja, he got out. Kharaja, KH in the beginning. KH. Kharaja.
Haraja.
Hmm. So the teacher says, Aina zahaba. It is also the past tense. Kharaja zahaba. Zahaba means went. It is the past tense. Both are past tense. Aina zahaba. Where did he go? Got it?
Yes.
Hmm. So Aina zahaba. Where did he go? So Muhammad says zahaba went. Went ilal mudire to the principal, towards the principal. Zahaba, he went ilal mudire towards the principal. Got it?
This part is not very clear.
Yes. So this is kharaja. This is actually a past tense. Inshallah, I will teach you in the upcoming classes. So kharaja means it is past tense, just like he got out, he went, so he came. This is kharaja. He got out. And this is aina zahaba. Zahaba means went.
Went. Okay.
So where he went. So he says that zahaba means went. Zahaba means went. Aina zahaba, where he went. Where did he go? So is it clear?
Yes, it's
Yes.
clear.
So he says that he went towards principal. The principal in school. So principal. So this is went means zahaba. Went means
Zahaba.
yes. Ila means to and toward.
Okay.
Got it?
Hmm.
Zahaba is the past tense which means went. He went ila towards. Al Mudir principal. He
He went.
went towards principal to meet principal. Wa wa means aina. Sorry. Wa means and. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Huwa means and, aina means where. And where, zahaba means, what's the meaning of zahaba? Went. Went.
Went.
Went. Yes. And where went? Aliyun. Ali is the name of anyone. So, where did he go?
Okay.
Yes. Wa aina, and where, zahaba went. Ali. So he says that he went toward toilet. This is picture al-mirhaz. So how can we say he went towards toilet, to toilet?
Huwa
Huwa zahaba.
Huwa zahaba.
Right. Huwa he, zahaba went. Huwa zahaba ilal mirhadi.
Okay.
Hmm.
This part is little confusing.
Yes, a little confusing, yes. Because it is your first time
Yeah.
to learn this. So the first question is about, so this is min. Min means from.
Min is from, yeah.
Yes. Ila means to and towards. So this is the dialogue between the teacher and his student Muhammad. The teacher says, Min aina anta, where are you from? The student says, I am from Japan. Ana minal Yaban. Is it clear?
Yes.
So, al-mudarrisu, the teacher says, wa min aina Ammarun, where are Ammar from? So Muhammad says that huwa minas Sine, he is from China. Huwa minas Sine. The teacher says, wa min aina Hamidun, and where is Hamid from? So he says, huwa minal Hindi, he is from India. So this one is al-Mudarris, the teacher says, Aina Abbasun, where is Abbas? So his student want to say he got out. So it means that it is the past tense.
Okay.
So kharaja. Kharaja means it is the past tense. So he got out.
Okay.
Zahaba means went. So if we say where he went, where did he go? So aina zahaba. It is, I think, very simple, but it's your first time. That is why you are a little bit confused. So aina zahaba. Where did he go? So if we say went towards principal, how can we say went? Translate went first of all. Zahaba.
Zahaba.
Yes. Toward principal.
Went.
Zahaba went ilal mudire. Ila. Toward.
Al mudire.
Hmm.
Went towards principal.
Yes. Wa aina, and where? Zahaba went Ali. And where went Ali? Where did he go? Wa
Yeah,
aina Yes. وأين and where. So the new thing is that ذهب went. So we will say ذهب went إلى المرحاض to toilet.
We'll revise this again once in
Mm.
next class.
Yes, inshallah we will revise.